So our bow making boards come in a pack with various different sizes. The difference with these bow making tools compared to our normal bow making tool that kind of looks like a comb is that with these ones you can easily make double, triple, quadruple bows essentially, but I'll show you what I mean. So for this demonstration I'm going to use the 5.5 by 15 centimetres. 5.5 meaning the width of your bow from sort of left to right. 15 centimetres is obviously this length. Which kind of doesn't really matter as such, but it's the length here that's going to give us the opportunity to keep adding loops to the bow. So I'm going to use this ribbon here. So we're going to leave a long tail of thread, long tail of ribbon, sorry, and that's going to be the tail of one side of the bow essentially. And we're going to come across the board, round the back, up through the middle. And then, as you can see, then I'm going to go round the other side of the board. And then now I've got sort of my 2 loops that I would have for the bow. So because I'm finished and I just want a normal bow, come up through the centre, down the other side, and then you want to come back round to the front. And then you can tie this together. Obviously then you could trim this then so that that's the same length as that. Pull it off and you've got a nice even bow. Nice even tails to your bow. The loops are even as well. So now I'm going to show you how to do a double bow. So I'm going to use one of the big ones for this, but again you could do this with any size board. But same again, I'm using a chunky ribbon here because the chunky ribbon really works nice with the chunkier boards. So leaving a tail again, coming across the board, into the middle, across to the other side. So obviously now that would be a normal size bow if I came up the middle like that and back down this side, but because I want to do a double bow, I'm going to continue and do the same again. Like so. So if you think now 1, 2, 3, 4, this would be a double bow. If you wanted to do triple, you'd do the same again, another 2 times. So I'm going to come up the middle, down to the other side, and then back round to the front where I can tie this together and then pull this off. Probably didn't tie that quite tight enough. Make sure you pull it quite tight before you pull it off. But then you have more of a double bow, so you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, everything would be even. That's how you get perfect bows. Same applies to every size bow board, different thicknesses of ribbon. Experiment doing different loops on your bows. Almost would make a bit of a ruffle effect, I think, if you did multiple. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.